Hello, welcome to English for Everyone, where we practice real-life American English. Today we're learning some important vocabulary, so let's get started. Today we're learning about this word, plant. The word plant can be used for different things. First, these are house plants. My wife has a lot of house plants. And plant is a verb. She planted the plants in the pots. So now they're potted plants. And my wife loves her potted plants. We have a lot of them. Let's practice. What are these? Are these house plants? That's right, these are house plants. But we also use the word plant to talk about a factory. A factory can be called a plant. Example, this is a factory where they make cars. They build cars in this factory, and it's called a plant. It's an automotive plant. They build cars in the automotive plant. They build cars or they assemble cars. They assemble cars in the automotive plant. Let's practice. What do they do in the automotive plant? Do they assemble cars? That's right, they assemble cars in the automotive plant. Do a lot of people work at the plant? That's right, a lot of people work at the plant. And this is a factory that makes electricity. It's a power plant. This is a nuclear power plant. And they make electricity. Let's practice. Do they make electricity at the nuclear power plant? That's right, they make electricity at the nuclear power plant. And this is a power plant too. But it's not a nuclear power plant. This power plant burns coal to make electricity. Let's practice. Does this power plant burn coal to make electricity? That's right, the power plant burns coal to make electricity. So remember this tricky word, plant. Sometimes it's a house plant and sometimes it's a factory. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.